slow. That mirror looking bad like ready for the glow. Slide open that drawer, velvet on the case, name etched in a metal crown piece for the face. Running through the shadow lines, fall into place. From rough edge to artwork, luxury trace. Bid rate, turn stubble into status, make the whole room wait. Every line on your jaw say you came to take a smooth game, clean frames, watch the dial break. Yeah, level up your look with a bid rate.
So the sound you just heard is coming from the HotLemon Party Speaker. Now, if you watch this channel at all, you know I love a budget party speaker. So this one, when I saw this one at $150 on Amazon with almost 5-star rating, I had to definitely check it out. So we're gonna go around the speaker, look at the ports, look at the features, and see if it's something that you might wanna grab at that sub $150 price point. Now, what's different about this speaker from some of the other ones that I've done on this channel is this is a little bit more portable. If you remember, I did the JBL Party Box 120, I did the Soundcore Party Speaker, and I also did the Walmart On speakers. And those speakers are a lot larger than this speaker, but I can tell you the sound is a lot similar. Now, those are more so made for travel. They're plastic, they're weather sealed. This one has a wooden box. There's no weather sealing, but it does have its own set of features. So as you can see before, I have the music on mute right now, but as you saw before, it has the really nice LEDs. There's actually 6 different settings that you can, cycle through for the LED lights. Which is really cool is I like how they did this dial for the volume. Is really unique. It's really prominent right in the middle. You won't miss it. You also have your button here where you can cycle through the different lights patterns. Of course, on this side, you got your bass. So there's a bass boost. You can turn that on or off. If you know me, you know I'm gonna have my bass boost on. I love the bass boost. Sounds really good on this speaker. Then you got your play pause and your forward and back. There's also a button to switch to the mic, which leads us to the side. So let me grab my camera to give you a close-up of this real quick. All right, so these are the ports on the side of the speaker. Now, this speaker is also, which is another one of my favorite features of some of the other speakers, is charged with USB Type-C. So you can just use your cell phone charger. You don't have to have a dedicated charger to charge this. You can charge it with USB Type-C. It also doubles as a power bank. So if your phone is running low, you can plug it up to that USB Type-C to get a little bit more juice on your phone. Right here is the on-off switch for the actual speaker. You got your USB, so if you want to play some music off of a USB stick, you can do that. It also has a micro SD card slot, so if you want to put some music on an SD card and you don't want to have to use your phone to play the music, you can do that. And then you see you have your 3.5 millimeter jacks, like for mics and headphones and things like that. So the $150 price range on these party speakers is becoming really competitive, and I think this is one of the standouts. I was surprised. I can admit HotLemon is a brand that I had never heard of, but the Amazon rating spoke to me and I had to check it out, and I was quite impressed with it. So I'm curious to see what y'all thought about the sound when y'all heard it at the beginning. Drop it down in the comments section and I'll be sure to check them out. If you have any other questions about the speaker that I didn't cover in this video, drop them down in the comments section and I'll be sure to get to them. I'm also going to do a follow-up video when I had a little bit more time with this speaker. I've just had it for about a week now and I've been really loving it so far. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.